Now we'll be saying formation of image by convex mirror. Okay, so in my last video I have spoken about formation of image by concave mirror. To know what is formation of image by concave mirror, just go through my video. I have uploaded the link in description. Now let's see this case. So here convex mirror na, when you have your mirror, the reflecting surface is outward, so all your pole, principal focus and center of curvature will be inward, whereas this part is only your reflecting surface. Now you have 2 points where you can observe the nature and size of the image. One will be a farther point, one will be a nearer point. So here, unlike concave mirror, here we will have only 2 cases. Case 1 is, so one is at infinity and second one is between infinity and pole. Okay, now let's see the case 1. Case 1, infinity. So I'll be drawing here convex mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature, but this is my reflecting surface. Okay, wow. So let me just take my object which is at infinity. Now, okay, wow, I'm just drawing my rays, 2 rays, ray 1, ray 2. So I've already told, passing through principal axis now, it always get focused in such a way, appear to get focused at the principal focus, which means the ray gets reflected as this. These 2 rays are meeting at the principal focus now here. Okay, now the image formed is, what kind of image has been formed? Point size image is formed exactly at formed at principal focus. The third one is, what is the nature? Virtual and erect. Okay, so this is case 1. When the object is at infinity, the rays from passing parallel to the principal focus will appear to meet at the principal focus. Passing to principal axis will appear to meet at principal focus and get diverged as such. Since these 2 rays appear to meet over here, I am just taking my image formation over this point. If the ray is passing through center of curvature, center of curvature, it retraces the path, so I am not mentioning that again. So this is the case. The image will be formed exactly at the focus but behind the mirror, which is diminished or point sized, virtual and erect. Let's see case 2. Case 2, between infinity and pole, P. So I'm drawing my convex mirror again. Principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature, and here is my object between infinity and pole. Now see where I'll be drawing. My first ray is parallel to principal axis and second ray is directed towards the center of curvature. Okay, directed towards the center of curvature. Parallel to principal axis now, it will get reflected on the principal focus, means the image will be formed here. Let me just draw between P and F. If the object is between infinity and pole, then the image will be formed between P and F, smaller in size, or you can write as diminished, and the nature is as usual virtual and erect. So this is all about formation of image in convex mirror. The first one is this. When the object is at infinity, the image is point sized exactly at F and virtual and erect. Whereas if between infinity and pole, then the image will be formed between pole and focus, diminished, virtual and erect. Thank you so much, and comment for more content and more explanation of the videos.